Hey Joey, how you doing? I spoke with Mary earlier. This is Scott Walker, and she told me that you'd be the one to watch this video. I just wanted to show you how you could grow your business by implementing online strategies, and there's just a few things that I would like to show you that can really, bring more business to your company for you. The first thing is, it looks like you don't have a website. So, I mean, that would be the first thing that you want to do is get a website because based off of your competitors, especially in Sandy, there's a lot of online presence that they have that could bring you a lot more revenue. So, going forward, the next thing I want to talk to you about is once you have your website, is having content with plenty of keywords behind that content. And what I mean by that is, first off, you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 words per page, depending on your competitors and the number of keywords needed. And a keyword, like if you look right here, is plumbing Sandy. That's a keyword. But a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. In your content, you can place keywords throughout to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website found for. So, for example, one of the other strategies that you could do is save your images as those keywords. So, like right here, it says Hive Plumbing header logo. Instead of all this garbage right here, you could be like, Sandy Plumber in your logo. And that's one way that the crawlers, the robots that Google uses to crawl your website, can find you for those buyer intent keywords. The next thing I want to talk to you about is, Google itself. Right here are all of the Google guaranteed services that come up for this particular keyword. So I mean, like these ones, Google will guarantee them, and if there's an issue with the company, then Google will back them financially to a degree. Then you have right here, you have your Google Ads, and these ones, the guarantees are about a 50% conversion rate, where these ones are like a 3 to 5%, but it does still get you a lot of screen time if you're, in both the guaranteed and the ads. But the biggest one right here is the Google Map Pack or the Google Business Profile. If you're not up here, you're missing out on about 40% of online traffic because they don't usually go past right here. And then down below is the organic section on Google, which you do want to rank in as well, because like I said, if you're up top here with some ads, and then you're in your Google Map Pack or Google Business Profile, and down here you're being seen by a lot of people coming into the website. So that's a big main portion where you want to be when you do actually get a website up and running. The last thing I want to show you is this tool called Era, and this just goes over the analytics of each website. Once you're looking at this, there's a few things I want to bring your attention to. This UR and DR rating. This is like the strength of a website, and then this is the power of the backlinks. And a backlink is any website that is referring back to your website, as in like a clickable link or hypertext. And these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. It's a giant popularity contest, with the most people referring other people's websites as the winner. So, they have a pretty good popularity going on. They have 4,000 backlinks with 1,000 referring domains and are known for 9,000 keywords. And all of this right here brings them 5,100 people to their website each and every month. So, that is why it is important to be ranking in the Google Business Profile right here. And just from their online presence alone, usually about 10% of people going to a website are buyer ready to purchase a service or product that you offer. And so that would be about 500 people. And usually conversions in this industry are about 30 to 40% of those buyer intent people. So you're looking anywhere from 200 to 250 new clients each and every month just from an online presence alone. I'm not sure what your margins are, but I imagine that will generate some pretty decent revenue. So this is what I do for a living, and I wanted to create this short video and keep it under 5 minutes for you just to kind of show how much an online presence can really benefit your company. If you do have any more questions, concerns, or if you're looking to, get your website built and ready to go, scale your business, reach out and I can, do the research needed to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. All I ask is if this video was helpful to get some feedback from you. Again, my name is Scott Walker, and feel free to reach out My door is always open for you. I really do hope this helps explaining how an online presence can help your company. And I look forward to talking to you soon. Thanks. Bye.